Hi, I'm Chef Erik, creator and founder of Unwaffle and father of 3. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn your Unwaffle Homestyle mix into a delicious and nutritious breakfast to start your day right. For tools, you'll need a 1-cup measure, a liquid measure, a tablespoon, a medium mixing bowl, a whisk, a portion scoop, a waffle iron, and a cup of coffee. Tongs are also helpful. If you don't yet have a waffle iron, this one here is great. See the links below to buy this iron and some of these other tools. For ingredients, you'll need Unwaffle Homestyle mix, warm water, and cooking oil or melted butter. We like avocado oil for its neutral flavor, high cook temps, sustainability, and nutritional qualities. It's also a great idea to have some cooking spray on hand to ensure your waffles release easily from your irons. Let's get started. First, measure a level cup of Unwaffle Homestyle mix. Add it to your mixing bowl. Fill your liquid measure to the 3/4 cup line with warm water and top it with 1.5 tablespoons oil. Then add it to your bowl. Then whisk to a uniform batter. Now we let our batter rest for 5 minutes to hydrate the ingredients and activate leavening. While you wait, now would be a great time to plug in and preheat your waffle iron, and take a second to snag your phone and go follow us on Instagram and Pinterest. This mix makes great waffles as it is, but with a few simple additions, you can create a bunch of different sweet and savory flavors. We listed some of our favorites down below the video under recipes, and we often share new ones on social media. Okay, grease up those irons with your cooking spray. Next, grab your scoop and portion out 1/2 cup of batter, placing it in the center of your iron. Set your timer for 2 minutes. Once it's done, remove the waffle and you're ready to add your favorite toppings. And voila, one perfectly cooked, wildly delicious, allergen-free, organic Unwaffle with 12 grams of protein per serving. The best part is, it's so delicious you'd never even know they were healthy, and neither will your kids. For that optimal weekday convenience, you can cook up a big batch and freeze them. They warm up quickly in the toaster or toaster oven for those mornings that you're in a rush. Not that you're ever in a rush though. I mean, I'm sure your mornings are always perfectly calm and smooth, just like ours. If you are batch cooking these, we recommend a cooling rack like this one to speed up the cooling process and keep things crispy. And that's it. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content from our kitchen. Thanks for watching.